guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's session I'm going to tell you about a coupon web page, like how we can create over there a coupon web page. Like you have seen on Amazon, we see over there they're going to be a flat 8% off, or any over there the off, like you get over there this much discount. So it's going to be the show over there 6-digit code that we can use it, and we can avail over there how much off we are going to get it. Same way we do over there a payment on Paytm, Google Pay, or so on. We get over there a user code. We can just like when we done over there any payment, we get over there any cashback or something, or any of the scratch card. So in that we get over there a movie tickets, or any like on H&M we get over there the off, or on Rapido, or anywhere like book my trip. So we get over there so on offers. So how we can create it? So let's learn it together. Here we go. So they're going to be show over there some expiry dates, so that we can just avail it in that particular time period. For that, we have to do the code, and I will show you how it's going to become over there into the result format. So there's going to be the basic content that we are going to write it. Now let's open the style, then body. So whatever the font we want and what's going to be the particular font styles, we can just decide it. Suppose I am deciding over there the Arial. So afterwards we have to close over there the curly bracket. Then we have to open the body. So I'm just opening the body, and then come over there the divisions. Like how the sections going to be divided, it's going to be in the form of the container. So first of all, I'm just declaring over there the coupon. Then the next div class that's going to be container. Then we will decide it that what going to be the styles of that, how much the width we want, and so on. So now it's come my heading that going to be H3. Suppose I'm using that going to be the company logo. So let's see how it's give over there the result. Then close the div. Now we have to put over there the image, like which coupon we are going to use it. Suppose I want to see over there the Burger King. You can take it any of it. So I want the images. It's not coming because it's not on the Google page. So instead of opening over here in any browser, we can just open it on a Google, so that we can get over there the images over here. Like you can have a look. I want different burger, not this one. So I'm taking copy image address. Okay, this one is good. Yeah. So here we go. Oops, I missed it out. I can take it again. Let's see. It's not looking good. Instead of this, I can use the pizza.
Hmm. This one looks good. This one is more good. Okay, any of it we can use it. You can just use over there any of the particular and then you can decide it, whatever you want. So if I done over there any of the mistake, I have to just delete the link. For that, I have to select it out. Then I will able to delete it. Oops, that will be image src equal and use it. I have to close the tagline. Yeah, okay, cool. Now what I have to do over there, I have to decide the particular things that how the image going to be. So I'm using over there alt of star, then style equal width, not going to be 100%. Oh, semicolon. Yeah. Okay, then going to be a div class equal container style equal background color white. Then come over there H2, that's going to be the bold, the second heading that I'm using 20% of your purchases purchase. Yeah, okay, it's look cool. Okay, great. So then it's going to be the promo code and then there are going to be a little bit descriptions. Okay, so I can take over any of the paragraph from there so that it's going to work it. Like if we want to open the Pizza Hut, so on, we can use it like 1+1 and save and all that. And it shows one coupon code also. I'm taking this. Okay, I'm just going back. Yeah, okay, cool. I did the smart work. Now next come over there closing the div. Afterwards we have to use the promo code so that person can avail it. That also going to be a container. Oops. Then comes over there the paragraph. Use promo code and that going to be a span class. equal promo. Any code we can put it. But it's going to be the 6 digit code always. And then we are closing the span. Then we have to put over there one more paragraph. Then when it's going to be expire. Slash equal expire. Only 1 or 2 days it's give over the maximum. So we can use this way. And now we have to close the div. Yeah. Now let's go roll up and let's add over there the styles. This much we did it. Now we have to put dot coupon. Yeah, see we did over there a small, so it will be a small only. Now there's going to be a border like it's showing border 5 pixel dotted. We can use dotted dash any over there the border and whatever the color we want we can use it. Now next they're going to be the width that going to be 80%. Then border radius like what going to be the area. Suppose I'm using the 15 pixels semicolon. Then comes over there the margin. So margin we can use over there the 0, the auto over there. That means the automatic. Let's see how it's work. Yeah, it's good. Let's add over there container. 2 pixel, then 16 pixels, then background color. We can use any of the color code and we can put over there a 6 numbers, like 6 alphabets or the numbers together, then we will get over there a color. Yeah, okay, cool. Now come here, the promo. That's going to be a different background color. Let's use CC over there. Okay. Now comes over there the expire. So the expiring part going to be show over there in a red color. Always if you have noticed it, it shows in a red color. So finally it's ready up and you can have a look. It's really looking really very nice. Like we see over there any of the coupon when we just do over there